Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com, and as you can see, my software is giving us a buy signal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to record my next scalp trades for the next 2 days. And this is the account that I started with $250. We're over 1,000 now. If you want to copy my signals for free, just sign up with the link in the description below for Mega Markets. Make sure you have at least $500 in your account to copy. Oh, we just hit take profit now. Make sure you have at least $500 to be able to copy my signals. But if you want to use your own broker, then go to hedgingmastermind.com to get the free signals. All right, guys, we'll be right back. Let's look for another trade in the market. Hello, guys. As you can see, my software is giving me another trade signal. Okay, I'm taking a buy. It's giving me a buy signal, and I had to take that very quickly. If you want to get the software that helps me tell me when to buy, when to sell, to scalp the market, when to hedge, because I use hedging as a exit strategy. I'm sure if you've seen from my videos when I've been growing this account, so I don't lose any profit. I hedge out my trades to lose at break even, lose nothing, gain nothing. And yeah, if you want to get the software, go to hedgingmastermind.com and we'll be watching this trade. Oh, it's so close to hitting take profits. Yeah, and scalping is very fast. So we are still on the 25th of May and we're still taking some scalps. I said I'm going to record my scalps for the 25th and 26th. Let's see how much we make in 2 days. Maybe we can make 10%. And we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the markets. Go to hedgingmastermind.com. All right, so we're back. Take profit hits, take profit hits, take profit hits. And that's another $15 added, $30 so far today. And we'll be right back with another trade in the markets when the software gives us that trade. All right, we are still in the 25th of May. I'm trying to take two different types of trade. I'm trying to buy usdjpy for small profits. I'm trying to sell Euro USD for major profits in the market. And yeah, let's see how this plays out. Like, share, and subscribe. If you want to buy the course, in the course, we're also doing live trades like this. I teach my students with live trades, okay? Risking real money, so we have our real emotions in the market. But yeah, we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, we have hit our take profit on USDJPY. Euro USD still running. We'll be right back when we're into more profits. Or maybe we'll just close Euro USD out early. All right, guys, so we're in the 26th of May. We closed out our Euro USD trade out early for about $6, but now we're on USDJPY. This is the second day of scalping this market on the 5-minute charts. Let's see how much more profits we're going to make on this second day of trading altogether. Like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you comment and share, which is the most important thing for the algorithm. If you watch the video up to this point, type in the comments for the algorithm. Look at how much profit we've made. And we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. Comment and share. All right, guys, take profit almost hits. Take profit hits. There you go. So from this account, that's added $17 extra to the account. We started this account with $250. We're up $820 right now. Make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you switch that notification bell on for more videos like this, and we'll keep on trading on this second day scalping the foreign exchange market. We'll be right back when we're into another trade in the market. All right, guys, still the 26th of May. We're taking another trade in the market, 2 buys on USDJPY, and we'll be right back to see how much profit we've made from that. Just setting up my lot sizes properly. I mean, my take profit points properly. And yeah, we'll be right back in the market when we're into more profits in the market. Comment and share and click the notification bells on. And there you go. In less than 2 minutes, take profit hits added into the books, extra $19. Actually, extra $19.5 added to the market. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's keep on pushing this account. Let's see how much more profits we can make from the market today, 26th of May, 2023. This last trade of the day, I'm going to take a buy on USDJPY for about $20 profits. Remember, guys, if you want to buy the course, because the course is taught like this, we're taking live trades, go to hedgingmastermind.com or send me a message on WhatsApp and Telegram. Remember, if you want to get my free signals, sign up with Mega Markets, link in the description below. And yeah, we'll be right back to this. I have to go to the gym later on. Let's see how much profit we get from this. Probably over about $20 to $25. And yeah, if we get that, that'll be $75 we've made in the 2 days scalping, almost $80. We'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. And there you go. That's 2 days of scalping. Bye till next time.